Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a beautiful ride. I'm firing up the bike for a ride from Key Largo down the legendary overseas highway to Key West. Today we have clear blue skies, bright turquoise ocean, and that smell of salt in the air. If you love open road adventures, smash that like button right now and let's roll. Alright, we're leaving Key Largo behind and we're already surrounded by that insane turquoise water. It's a Friday and traffic is moderate. The sun is about 75 degrees, the bike sounds great, and life is good. As we cruise south, the views just keep getting better. Mangroves on the side, open ocean on the other. It's low tide, and you can see some birds standing in the ocean. That's how low the tide is. I made it to Sunset Grill in Marathon. Look at this view of the 7-mile bridge stretching out into the ocean. I'm grabbing a table outside, ordering lunch and a nice cold drink. Highly recommend this place if you're ever riding through. Super biker friendly, great staff, and chill vibes. Time to hit the highlight of the trip, crossing the 7-mile bridge. This thing is unreal. 7 miles of open water on both sides, no land in sight, wind whipping, waves sparkling. It's one of those rides that just makes you grin inside. You feel totally free out here. Here comes Fred the tree on the right hand side. This is the old part of the bridge that's no longer usable. Fred's located in between mile marker 41 and 42. Make sure you check it out on your way through. Not much farther now. Right after the 7-mile bridge, you'll hit Big Pine Key. Watch out for the little key deer. They might be crossing the road. Only 30 miles left to get to Key West. Thanks for coming along on this ride with me, guys. I hope you felt like you were right there on the bike. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, tell me your favorite key spot, and where I should ride next. I'll catch you in the next adventure. Stay safe out there. Keep the shiny side up, and I'll see you down the road.